Hi everyone. Today, let's learn some English words for film genres. Western. I watched a western yesterday. Cartoon. My children love this cartoon. Horror film. She is scared of that horror film. Comedy. This comedy is very funny. Thriller. We enjoyed the thriller last night. Action film. He likes an action film with lots of fights. Science fiction film. They saw a science fiction film about space. Musical. I went to see a musical at the theater. Romantic comedy. She watched a romantic comedy and laughed. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson.